Did you know that some YouTube channels get millions of views and generate thousands of dollars in revenue every month by turning articles or blog posts into engaging videos? The great news is that with the power of artificial intelligence, you can achieve similar results in just minutes without ever showing your face on camera or learning complex script writing or video editing skills. Today, we'll show you how to do this in 5 easy steps using ChatGPT and Invideo, even if you're a complete beginner. The first step is to choose an idea for your video. A great way to start is by using a tool like vidIQ, which provides daily ideas for your channel, helps with keyword research, and offers an AI coach for various aspects of video creation. Keep in mind that most of these features require a paid plan. To find relevant ideas for your channel, start by using the AI coach. Type a prompt directly into the box to ask for video ideas or topic suggestions in your niche. Once you have a list of potential topics, refine your selection using vidIQ's keyword research tool. Simply go to the keyword tab, enter your chosen topic or keyword, and check its score. The higher the score, the better the chances of your topic performing well on YouTube. If your topic doesn't score well, use the Matching Terms tab to find alternative keywords with better potential. You can also explore the Related Terms tab for broader topics within your niche. After analyzing the options, select the topic with the highest score to move forward. Once you've finalized your idea, the next step is to generate your write-up or article. Thanks to ChatGPT, this process is incredibly easy. If you haven't already, sign up for ChatGPT. You can use an existing Google or Microsoft account and verify your phone number to get started. Once logged in, use the prompt box to craft detailed instructions for the AI. For example, you can specify the format of the article, e.g., listicle, narrative, etc., the topic you want it to cover, the tone of voice, e.g., professional, casual, or humorous, specific details or facts you want included, and the desired word count, if relevant. Refine the output by giving additional prompts to improve sections like the introduction or conclusion. Once satisfied, copy the text and run it through a plagiarism checker to ensure it's unique. Using ChatGPT to create original content not only saves time, but also avoids copyright issues. Now that you have your write-up, it's time to create your video. Log into Invideo and select the text-to-video workflow. Browse through the library of free templates and choose one that matches the theme of your video in terms of transitions, text animations, and music. After selecting your template, choose the aspect ratio, e.g., landscape for YouTube, and click Use this template to open the editor. Copy your ChatGPT script and paste it into the script box, breaking longer paragraphs into smaller segments for better scene readability. Enable the auto-suggest media and premium stock media options, then click Create Scenes. Invideo will automatically generate scenes based on your script. You can replace any media by searching for relevant clips using keywords and dragging the selected clip onto the canvas. Trim the clip's duration to fit your scene and make additional adjustments like color grading, text animations, and effects. A good voiceover can significantly enhance your video's engagement. Fortunately, you don't need to record your own voice or hire a voiceover artist. Invideo's text-to-speech feature makes this easy. Select the voiceover option at the bottom of the screen, choose Automated Text-to-Speech from the drop-down menu, and select your preferred language and voice, e.g., British English, Ryan. Click Generate Voiceover to create the audio. Once the voiceover is generated, ensure it syncs well with the video. Adjust the background music volume, typically to 15 to 20 decibels, so the voiceover is clear. After finalizing all elements, media, animations, and voiceover, preview your video by clicking the play button beneath the canvas. If everything looks good, export the video in 1080p for the best quality. In case you face any challenges, use the 24/7 support chat option above the timeline or visit help.invideo.io for detailed tutorials. Once rendered, download your video and upload it to your channel. Don't forget to craft a catchy title and design an eye-catching thumbnail to boost clicks. And that's it. You've successfully turned an article into a professional video using ChatGPT and Invideo. Check out our other videos for more tips on how to use AI to create stunning content and grow your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.